channel, and this is Surbi here. And as I've decided, as I told you last time, I would be talking about accessories today. So what are accessories, guys, basically? So these are some things, some objects which beautify or glorify our outfits and our looks, right? For example, scarves, your watches, bracelets, your earrings, necklace, then your shoes, etc., etc. So today I'll be talking about some of these accessories and which accessories are suitable for which outfits, basically. So let's start. So talking about earrings, do we wear some on traditional outfits? Do we wear some kind of gaudy earrings or fashionable shining earrings which are suitable only for Western outfits? No, right? So basically, there's a distinguishing between Western outfits and traditional outfits, wherein we choose different kinds of earrings, right? For example, if we are using if we are wearing some Western outfit, so we shall choose some kind of jazzy earrings, some shining earrings. If you're going to a party or something, we'll match those earrings with our outfits, right? If you're wearing a black outfit or something, a shiny crystal like earring would get well with your outfit. If you're wearing a golden outfit, a golden shining crystals would go with your outfit. If you're wearing a traditional outfit, then definitely you would prefer some golden jewelry, gold jewelry, silver jewelry according to your dress, according to your outfit, right? So if at all you're wearing a Western outfit, then definitely wear your earrings according to the color coordinated ways with your outfits and not outside that, right? So if it's a traditional outfit, do choose some kind of very traditional jewelry, somewhat depicting the golden era type of jewelry, right? Earrings I'm talking about. Coming to watches and bracelets. So why do we wear watches and bracelets, right? Some of the watches are not just a time show, but also a show of sophistication, presentation, beauty and grace. They can be also used as bracelets. So watches and bracelets not only just are of great utility, but also showcase the beauty of your wrist, and it doesn't keep your wrist empty and vacant. It designs it so beautifully according to your outfit. You choose your bracelets and your watches, and it will give a very sophisticated, beautiful look to your wrist. Whatever accessories you use, like your necklace, your pendant, your bracelets and your earrings, they should go according to your outfit. If you use very different earrings or very different necklaces, bracelets which do not go according to your outfit, it will look a bit mismatched and does not qualify with the dressing sense that you wear, right? So according to the context, according to the settings, and according to the preferences of the situation, you wear your outfits, and according to your outfits, you go for your accessories like necklace, bracelets and your earrings in order to beautify your look. Guys, if you're a travel person and you have often been traveling to some sunny places, to hilltops and very sunny regions basically, so definitely you cannot forget a pair of goggles, right? A jazzy pair of goggles, with blue glasses, with black glasses, with brown glasses, different types of glasses. You can choose a goggle of different styles and fashion. You can choose different colors of the glasses, like a blue shade, the brown shade, the black shade, according to the outfit, and you look very stylish, and it also protects you from the sun, obviously, but they are a standard or a symbol of style. It defines your style statement and also the level of confidence that you have. would you prefer while going on different occasions? You can't wear a slipper if you're going on a traditional occasion, right? You have to use some kind of a beautiful traditional shoe in order to go for a traditional occasion. If you're going on a running track, definitely you won't wear heels and go on a running track, right? In the morning, if you're going on a morning walk or something, you would use your sports shoes, right? According to the context, you have to choose your shoes, your sandals and silhouettes that you're wearing. These are very graceful. They also beautify your outfits and your look. If you're wearing a party outfit or something, then you can definitely go for heels, go for sandals and go for beautiful looking, tender, soft looking, you know, the soft looking cotton look of the shoes, basically depending upon the outfit. Definitely if you're going for a traditional occasion or something, then definitely some kind of a traditional shoes. If you're wearing a traditional outfit, then definitely a sandal which suits the traditional outfit, like having some crystals on it, a golden sandal or a silver sandal according to the outfit, can go along with the traditional suit. Now whenever we are using clips or clutches or some kind of decorative clips on your hair, or yeah, you're making a bow, your hairband or something, so choose it according to the outfit, as I'm saying. Like if it's a childlike dress, like if it's a sober, soft and tender dress, then choose a tender hairband or clips based on that. So you can go for a hairband, like you can make it out of a bandana and just tie it, or you can just wear tiny clips which the children wear. So it's like sweet, it gives a sweet look, and also it enhances your look as a very soft and decent and tender look it gives you. Coming to scarves. Now this category has a lot of different variations and transitions. We use scarves as shawls, as strolls, as bandanas and as only scarves. Basically these scarves enhance the get-up of your look, the get-up of your outfit. They are not just protectors from the environment, they are not just used in the winter season, but also as an enhancing element to your outfit. Basically if you're wearing a western outfit, so you can just go for a triangular bandana, or if you're wearing a Punjabi suit, you can also go for a triangular bandana according to the color coordinated base, depending upon your outfit. So basically color coordination is a very essential element whenever you're using these accessories. So basically the bandana should match with your outfit, the scarf should match with your outfit. There are different types of scarves. It can be velvet scarf with fashionable cheetah type skinny look, and normal scarves, cotton shawl scarves, which can be used in the winter season, and they may go according to specific outfits. So just follow the color codes and color coordinated ways, and you can just flawlessly go with the bandanas and scarves. You're an independent boss lady woman, and how can you forget to have a very graceful and carrying a very sophisticated clutches, purses and handbags in which you carry your basic accessories like your cash, your debit cards, whatever, and your bracelets, other jewelry if you want to, if your lip balms. These are the basic things which you carry in your handbags, right? Handkerchiefs and perfumes maybe, and some of the other accessories. So these clutches and these handbags, these tiny purses, which are very beautiful and tender, which go according to your outfits. If you're wearing a sports outfit, then definitely a handbag, a baggage would be more useful. If you're wearing a very decent party dress, then a simple clutch or a simple purse, a carry bag, a simple purse with a lace would be more effective. And such type of purses and baggages, clutches, would be a cherry on the top of your outfit. Coming to nail paints. So whenever you're applying some nail paints, firstly you choose a brand of the nail paint, right? You cannot go with any brand or any brand nail paint. So if you know nail art, then definitely do go for it, and do prefer some nail art which goes along with your outfit and not just mismatch. If you're using a traditional outfit, depending upon the occasion, you can't use a very jazzy nail art, a black nail paint on a green or pink or red suit. So it should be like very beautiful and colorful, basically, not black and jazzy. Like it shouldn't be that pointed and stuff. So it should be like very decent looking and sophisticated if you're choosing a traditional outfit. And just use those nail paints and go along with the flow and feel the confidence inside. Whenever you're choosing a nail paint, just see the brand. If the brand if the nail paint sticks properly on your nails, or it just messes along on the nails. So just stick it properly, let it dry properly, and then you can go out along the outfit. And also choose a company, the best company. I mostly prefer Maybelline, New York Lakme. These are best companies for the quality of the nail polish that you use. Now coming to the entire wardrobe. While choosing a wardrobe, what do we take into consideration? It's the coats that we wear, the shoes, the jeans, the top, the necklace, the shawl, etc. Everything that makes your outfit, that makes your look a very elegant and beautiful and perfect color coordinated look. So basically that's your perfect wardrobe, right? You can try different coats, you can try different jackets in order to glorify your outfit. So definitely that makes a beautiful wardrobe. A brown dress with a white short or a white pant can also go. A white dress with a pink shade, a white dress with a blue shade, anything can go with white and black. So definitely these are very common colors that people use. And if you're talking about pink, you can go for blue as well. If you're talking about yellow, you can go for blue. If you're talking about red, you can go for yellow, you can go for blue, you can go for black, but not pink. If you're using a red outfit, then definitely the colors which match that outfit, like pink, those are in that shade, like pink, violet, cannot go along with that outfit. You have to wear a very color coordinated set of outfits. So depending upon that, you can design your modern wardrobe and wear your outfits accordingly. Now the major accessory is your confidence. So whenever you're going outside, don't forget to carry your confidence, the major accessory of yours. It makes you more beautiful, more glorified, and more presentable. Thank you so much.